Metabolism is the complex web of chemical reactions that keeps us alive, powering everything from digestion to muscle movement. But what makes these reactions happen so efficiently and at such incredible speeds? The answer lies in enzymes, tiny but powerful proteins that are crucial to life. Enzymes act as catalysts in our bodies, meaning they speed up chemical reactions without being consumed in the process. Without enzymes, the reactions that drive metabolism would occur far too slowly to sustain life. Imagine trying to cook a meal without heat. Everything would take hours, if it even happened at all. Enzymes are like the heat in that analogy, making reactions happen quickly and efficiently. Each enzyme is highly specific, designed to work with just one or a few substrates, the molecules they act on. When a substrate binds to the enzyme's active site, it triggers the enzyme to perform its magic, transforming the substrate into a new product. This process is known as the lock and key model, where the enzyme and substrate fit together perfectly, ensuring that the reaction proceeds in the right direction. In metabolism, enzymes are involved in both breaking down molecules to release energy and building up molecules for growth and repair. For example, digestive enzymes break down the food we eat into smaller molecules like glucose, which cells then use for energy. Other enzymes help synthesize essential molecules like proteins that our bodies need to function. Temperature, pH levels, and the presence of inhibitors or activators can all influence enzyme activity. In some cases, enzymes need a cofactor like a vitamin or mineral to function properly. This fine-tuning allows the body to regulate metabolic pathways, ensuring that we produce energy and essential compounds at the right times and in the right amounts. In essence, enzymes are the unsung heroes of metabolism. They work behind the scenes, driving the reactions that keep us alive, healthy, and functioning. Without them, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. Want to dive deeper into the amazing processes that power life? Subscribe to AI Explains It All and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next.